In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can navigate through the course. Whenever you enter the course in Blackboard, you'll always enter on the announcements page. Here is where I will post any pertinent information that you need to know for that particular week or the upcoming assignments or any other announcements that I need to make. The home page is really the landing page of your course. This is where you'll go to access any and all course materials. So you can start here and you can access the syllabus for the course. You can download it. We also have the lecture hall and assignments folder, the course discussion blog, and additional resources that I'll post that are things that I really just think you might find interesting. So let's start by looking at the lecture hall. The lecture hall is broken into weekly modules. In the weekly modules, a new weekly module will appear each week, and within those folders there will be a weekly lesson plan that describes the activities that you need to complete for that particular week. This weekly lesson plan does not include the due dates for the major assignments. It's just the things that you should complete in order to be able to understand and meet your learning objectives for that particular week. There's also a folder for presentations and slides. This is where I will post any presentations that I might have posted. Some of them might be from me, some of them are from colleagues, some of them are things that I found in other resources. All of these things are important things to look at because they have pertinent information that supplements the material in your textbook. You can also navigate back to the folder by clicking through these headings up here. So we clicked back to the week 1 folder. We're now here. This is the testing and instrumentation website. This is just a website that you're going to find important as you're starting to develop an understanding of health measurement scales. So we can go back to the lecture hall and we'll see from here on week 2 a second folder will come up. We can also go back to the home page by navigating through here or by clicking on the button over here. Once we navigate back to the home page, you can also see the assignment folder. Within the assignment folder, there are weekly problem sets, the semester-long project, and the data sets for these weekly homeworks. So if you click on the weekly problem set, you'll see each week your new problem set will be posted. So for week 1, your problem set are exercises 2.1 through 2.4 in Schultz and Whitney. What you'll want to do is after you've completed the assignment, you'll click on this assignment. You can ignore this box right here. What you want to do is attach your completed assignment to this little box right here. So you can find your assignment, attach it, and then just click Submit. All of your assignments will be submitted this way. So there will be an assignment button in the assignment folder. You click on that button, you upload your assignment as an attachment, and then once you've uploaded it, you can see everything's here. You can see the file that you've attached. Once the assignments have been graded, you can go to the Grades button over here. So you'll see I uploaded something for problem set 1. If there's a little green box with an exclamation point, it means it has not yet been graded. Once that exclamation point disappears and a grade appears, you'll know what the grade is. If you click on the grade, you can access any notes and comments that I have made to your assignment. If we go back to the home page and go back in under assignments, you'll see that there's also a folder for data sets for weekly homework. This folder just contains a list of all the data sets. It's very clear in the assignments which data sets you need to use. All of these are SPSS data sets with the exception of table 12.5, and when you get to that point in the assignment you'll understand what that is. Finally, there's the semester-long project. The semester-long project is divided into 2 phases. Phase 1, which is the group work assignment, and Phase 2, which is the individual assignment. If you click on the Phase 1 folder, you get explicit instructions for the Phase 1 assignment. This explains every single step that you need to take when the drafts are due and when the final paper is due. Here are assignments for you to load your drafts. So when draft 1 is due, you will submit it here. When draft 2 is due, you will submit it here. And the final paper, you will turn in 1 paper per group and you will submit it here. There's also a wiki for group assignment collaboration. So if you click on the wiki, it takes you to an empty wiki page. You do not have to use this wiki, but if you feel comfortable and you want to do your group work utilizing the wiki environment, feel free to do so. It's very simple. You simply add a new page. You can create a title for your new page. Click Continue. And once you've done that, you can edit it just as you would as a Word document. You can upload other documents. You can upload pictures. You can upload little other embedded media files. There's all kinds of things you can do. Once you have finished working with your wiki, you can click Save and Exit. It will take you, it's now created the page, and if another one of your group members wants to come and edit this page, they can either add a new page or they can click on your draft and try to edit it. Again, you're not required to use this wiki. It's just a fun environment if that's how you choose to work with your group. There's also, under the semester-long project, the Phase 2 individual assignments. Here again you have the full assignment description and places to upload your draft one and your final individual paper. Finally, we have the course discussion blog. Within the course discussion blog, this first week I would like you to introduce yourself. So all you have to do is click Add a New Entry. You can title it either the date. I would title it with your name. And you can always write exactly as you would with the wiki. So you type into here as if it was a Word document. If you would like to, you can upload a picture simply by choosing Upload. Once it does that, you can click Insert, and now you see your picture in the blog. Of course, this isn't a picture of me, it's a picture of my girls, but once you're done, you can click Save and Exit. And then everything that you've put will appear in the blog. The next person can then come in and add a new entry and add their information as well. I would like this first week for you to practice using the blog by telling us a little bit about yourself. This will give us a good way to get to know each other and also give you practice using the discussion blog. In subsequent weeks, use the blog for course comments, for questions, for additional information. If you find something really relevant to your current work or current research, please share it. We want to use the course blog as a mechanism for having the discussion that we would have if we were sitting in classroom together. And finally, there's an additional resources folder. Here I have just posted various websites and other resources that I find. I will continue to post things in the additional resources folder throughout the semester. These are really things that I think you might find interesting. None of them are absolutely, you don't have to use any of them for the course, but there are things that are related to the course that I think you might actually find useful. So feel free to browse the additional resources as you deem necessary. So that is the navigation of the course. If you have any questions or if anything is unclear or does not make sense, please let me know as soon as possible and I will do my best to clarify it.